Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel IELTS with GIC. If you are planning to take IELTS exams in June 2026, and then today video is extremely important for you because I am going to share you a 15 highly expected IELTS reading topics that every serious IELTS candidate should prepare before the exam. So now remember, these are not leaked questions. These are the predictions topics based on the recent IELTS trends, repeated themes and common academic reading subjects that frequently appear in the IELTS exams. So make sure you watch this video till end because these topics can help you to improve your vocabulary, reading speed and overall confidence before the test day. Let's get started. The first predicted topic is the future of renewable energy. You should know vocabulary related to solar power, wind energy, sustainable development, carbon emissions, green technology. I also love discussing how countries are moving towards cleaner energy sources. Topic 2. Artificial intelligence in daily life. So artificial intelligence is everywhere today. So important words include machine learning, automations, algorithms, data analysis, digital transformation. You should expect questions about how AI affect educations, healthcare and the workplaces. So topic 3. Decline of the coral reefs. Environmental topics remain popular in IELTS reading. Focus on the marine ecosystems, ocean pollutions, biodiversity, climate impact, conservation efforts. Topic 4. Urbanizations and its challenges. Many IELTS passages discuss population growth and the city development. So here's the key vocabulary. Infrastructure, migration, housing shortage, public transportations and urban planning. Topic 5. The science of the memory. Fascinating topic often linked with the psychology. Prepare words such as cognitive functions, long-term memory, short-term memory, brain activity, learning processes. Topic 6. Space explorations and the Mars missions. Space-related passages regularly appear in the IELTS academic reading. So important terms you can remember: astronauts, spacecrafts, colonizations, scientific discovery, Mars exploration. Topic 7. The impact of the social media. Another high expected topic. Focus on the vocabulary related to online communications, digital platforms, mental health, information sharing, social influence. Topic 8. Endangered species conservation. Environmental protections continues to be a major IELTS theme. You should learn the words like habitat loss, wildlife protections, extinctions, conservation programs, ecosystem balance. Topic 9. Traditional crafts and the modern world. This topic combines culture and economics. So vocabulary, handcrafts, heritage, culture preservations, skilled artists, globalization. So here's the topic 10. The history of transportation. You may see passages discussing how transportation evolved over time. So prepare industrial revolutions, railways, aviations, innovations, mobility. So now here is my biggest advice. Do not memorize your answers. Instead, learn topic specific vocabulary, practice skimming and scanning, read academics articles regularly, improve paraphrasing skills, complete at least one reading test daily before your exam. So remember, IELTS reading is not about knowing everything. It is about finding information quickly and accurately. So if you prepare 15 topics thoroughly, you will walk into the exam hall with much greater confidence. If you found this June 2026 IELTS reading predictions helpful, make sure to like the video, comment your expected exam date below, share this video with your IELTS friend and subscribe to IELTS with GIC for the daily IELTS tips. I wish you all band 7 plus band 8 and even band 9 in your upcoming IELTS exams. So see you in the next video. Good luck for your exams.